It's showtime.
Bravo Bruno! Bravo! Bravo!
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the king, come banging on your chest, you can beat the wall, you can win the war, you can talk to God, go banging on his wall, you can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock, you can move a mountain, you can break rocks, some will call it practice, some will call it luck, but either way you're going to the history books. Standing in the Hall of Fame, and the world's gonna know your name, 'cause you fell with the first fame, and the world's gonna know your name, and you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can go the distance, you can run the mile, you can walk straight through hell with a smile. You can be a hero, you can get the gold, breaking all the records so tall will never be broken. Do it for your people, do it for your pride. Are you ever gonna know if you never even try? Do it for your country, do it for your name, 'cause there's gonna be a day when you're standing in the Hall of Fame, and the world's gonna know your name, 'cause you fell with the first flame, and the world's gonna know your name, and you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame.
Bravo Bruno!
Walls of the Hall of Fame.
Bravo!
Students be teachers, be
Bravo.
politicians, be preachers,
Bravo!
be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions, be truth seekers, be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers.